Bloomberg operates as a massive financial data and media powerhouse, but its core business model relies heavily on a specialized group of high-paying institutional customers. Rather than depending on casual readers or individual retail investors, the company generates the vast majority of its multi-billion-dollar revenue from the financial elite who rely on its proprietary hardware and software ecosystem every single day. At the very top of Bloomberg's client list are global investment banks and financial giants. Institutions like JP Chase, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, and Citigroup maintain thousands of active subscriptions across their global trading floors. These banks use the iconic black-screen hardware and software terminals to track live market data, execute trades, monitor economic shifts, and communicate securely through proprietary messaging channels. Because a single terminal license costs roughly $24,000 per year, major banking institutions spend millions of dollars annually just to keep their desks equipped. Hedge funds and asset management firms form another cornerstone of Bloomberg's client base. Industry behemoths like BlackRock, Citadel, Bridgewater Associates, and Vanguard integrate the software deeply into their daily operations. Portfolio managers, quantitative analysts, and risk officers depend on the platform's advanced analytical tools to evaluate portfolio performance, price complex derivatives, and model market risk. For these funds, having split-second access to global news and historical pricing data can mean the difference between massive financial gains and catastrophic losses, making the subscription an indispensable operational expense. Beyond private trading floors and asset managers, central banks and government regulatory bodies make up a strategically vital segment of clients. Institutions such as the United States Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, and the Bank of England utilize the infrastructure to monitor macroeconomic indicators, track currency movements, and survey global financial stability. While public sector clients represent a smaller portion of total revenue compared to Wall Street giants, their adoption lends unmatched credibility and prestige to Bloomberg data feeds. Large multinational corporations also round out the roster of major subscribers. Corporate treasurers and finance divisions within Fortune 500 companies use the platform to manage foreign exchange exposure, handle liquidity, and navigate commodity pricing risks. By catering directly to these high-net-worth institutional entities, rather than the general public, Bloomberg has secured an exceptionally resilient and lucrative client base that anchors its dominance in the global financial ecosystem.